Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Yeah, things are not looking so good, guys. I was gonna try to make this a quick video just because I just, Bitcoin 16,000, you already know, 1200, Ethereum, FTX, blah blah blah, this and that. Everybody's going bankrupt, the whole world's shutting down. Let's look at the charts right now on Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, there we go. That was from the FTX right there, incident, boom. I personally was affected, but wasn't, well, kind of, my goodness, I can't even think straight. I was personally affected, not directly from having my funds on FTX, but I have my funds on BlockFi, which they just recently announced that just potential bankruptcy following the FTX collapse. And they just kept sending out like emails, letters, blah blah, this and that, saying that, oh, you can't withdraw money, blah blah, this and that. I tried to do it, as soon as I could to take out my money when this whole FTX fiasco was going on, but it's still pending. They said that their assets weren't in FTX, but that they had a significant exposure to FTX and the associated corporate entities that encompasses obligations owed to us by Alemeda research, which were held at FTX. So kind of the same thing if you think about it, but whatever. At the end of the day, it's everyone's getting wrecked. And yeah, that's basically it. I didn't want to make this video until everything was kind of done, but looks like this might take a while, so I don't know where my funds are. Like, I'm trying to contact, and I was a big a supporter of BlockFi. Like, I got their credit card, I got the socks, I even been earning interest, and it's been smooth on my end until obviously what just happened. There's also rumors about crypto.com as well, also going insolvent, or also the potential bankruptcy. I don't know, it's just because of this proof of reserves, a lot of shady stuff going on in crypto right now. But like we always hear everywhere, it's not your keys, it's not your coins. So I know it's kind of like one of those it's kind of too late moments, but I'm gonna get a hardware wallet, cold storage wallet, to get the new funds. I'm still gonna DCA into crypto, but yeah, I'll put all my funds in that cold storage wallet, which I suggest everybody do. I'm not recommending a specific one because I'm still doing my research, but I will post a video next week on the cold storage wallets. So if you guys want to do your research on that, I suggest you do, because if it's not your keys, it's not your coins, it's not your crypto. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm not really in the mood. I want my BlockFi funds. Yeah, that's basically it. But on the other note, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.